In this tutorial, we are going to send a basic statement to a learning record store from our example project. Our example project is a little bit of an information dump on the great white shark. We're looking at some demographic information. We have the average size between a female and a male shark. We're looking at some table manners of a shark and also some distribution data. Most of this information comes from Wikipedia with a little bit of Hype secret sauce. Here you can see the scene that is set up. We want to send a statement when the user launches this page. So the statement syntax is going to say, the default actor launched scene 1. Just as a recap, if you missed it before, in here you need the xAPI wrapper, and you also need the HypeXAPI.js file. You also need the HypeXAPI export script loaded for this to work like in my example. Okay, when we go into the HypeXAPI file that we create for each project, we have the learning record store endpoint set up at the top. We have a default actor set up. It's just John Doe for our example. The specific user credential information you will get from your learning management system, your LXP, your WordPress site, or it could be from user input. We don't have any other actors for this project. The verb that we have chosen for this example is launched, and this verb detail I got from the ADL verb registry. The object we chose for this is scene 1. I have the ID and a few details. Under definition, we have the name. An object has to have a name at least. I've added a description, introduction on the great white shark tutorial, and an extension, because it is part of the xAPI tutorial send statement video. I've also included an object type activity. So I would like to send a statement on scene load. On scene load, we select send statement. We grab the verb from the HypeXAPI function to make sure that there's no typos. We grab the object from here as well. Now, when we preview this project, a statement needs to go to the learning record store that says, John Doe launched scene 1. The export script is set up in such a way that when we preview the project, the statement is echoed back into the browser console. When the statement appears in the console, it completed a round trip to the learning record store and back. So the actor, John Doe. The verb is launched. The object is scene 1, first scene. The description is introduction on the great white shark tutorial. And we have an extension, xAPI tutorial send statement, object type, activity. There you have it. A basic xAPI statement sent to a learning record store from Hype.